Let's just stick a plan over to take off soon.
Slacken it, Ryan. Slacken that right off.
Aye.
Right, let go. Right, that's too tight. That's too tight, that way. You can't get it around smoothly. Alright. That's only for your tilt. You get a nice smooth.
There it goes.
Well, now we are just a few minutes away from the start of the flying display. I do extend once again a very warm welcome. Pleased to see we have some beautiful sunshine at the moment. Those of us that were on the airfield 5-6 o'clock this morning were well, slightly surprised and disappointed by the amount of rain that was coming down. Hopefully we've seen the worst of the rain.
There it goes.
Fair. The morning and through the afternoon. A couple of aircraft movements before we commence the flying display. Just getting airborne now from the Royal Air Force, the Tucano. I'm expecting the Tucano to disappear off and hold for a while before the first display item arrives, which should be the SE-5A. The SE-5A is not on the airfield, actually be arriving on slot and going straight into its display. I hope the SE-5A hasn't had too many problems with the weather. This is an aircraft that dates from the